Hello everyone and welcome to our new free video analysis in which I will look at stock market and US dollar. As you know, US dollar is in downtrend, is accelerating to the downside while stocks are going higher since yesterday. US elections which are still not over, but it looks like that Biden could get these elections, but actually markets will not really care. I mean, this is obviously visible already now when looking at the charts, because no matter who will win, I mean, quantitative easing, stimulus, monetary policy, everything will most likely I mean, it should stay unchanged, because Fed should work on its own. So we will see how this is going to unfold, but I think that stocks could continue back to the highs. At the same time, US dollar index is going to see more weakness, and the reason why we have seen a recent sell-off on stocks was probably due to profit taking ahead of the US elections, and also because of coronavirus and lockdowns that keep spreading here in Europe, and also now in the UK. However, this has already been priced in, so now when actually some of the lockdowns are finally in place, I mean, you see the opposite, the reaction, right? So investors were already positioned for this move, and it's not surprised actually to see stock market now reversing back to the upside. And here I have this Euro Stoxx 50 index. You can see a very nice free wave setback against this previous 5-wave rise. And what is the most important is that we have seen a bounce from these fib levels and now already trading back in this wave B range. So there's no way that you could count this 5-wave drop from those July highs. So this must be a corrective move, and if it's corrective move, it should be fully retraced, and this appears to be a very nice and strong impulse here. So I'm thinking about more upside. And looking at DAX, obviously very similar pattern here, 5 waves up, 3-wave correction, very nice bounce from these support levels from a 38.2%. So I'm looking for more gains here as well. And at the same time, obviously the US dollar could be headed to the downside. Euro could rise even more, but before we go to that, let me bring on also the S&P 500, because I'm sure that there's a lot of you who want to see this chart also updated. So what is going on here? Well, clearly that's an uptrend, and this appears to be a very nice retracement back to this previous swing high and swing low. So maybe this could be labeled as a flat correction. Okay, you have a wave A, B, and wave C, or maybe even as an ongoing triangle, if maybe this wave B swing high will not be broken just yet. But in either case, I mean, this appears to be very nice potential setup for more upside if we see a pullback. Okay, so watch out for more gains after retracement in wave 2 or maybe even wave E. I think that more upside could be seen. If we get this retracement before this wave B is taken out, then watch out for this previous swing high to act as a support here around 3400. Of course, I will remain here on the bullish side as long as we are trading above 3200, but even if this level would suddenly be broken, I would be still looking and anticipating even more upside, but would adjust the wave count, of course. Now let's take a look also on dollar index. Now it's very important for me just to keep an eye also on basic technical analysis, not only on Elliott wave counts. And if you look here, you can clearly see you have lower lows, you have lower swing highs, you have very strong trend in the middle of this drop that was in place since March. So this is clear downtrend. Okay, and what is important is that downtrend has broken significantly this previous swing low here back from start of the March. Okay, and this same level has been retested twice here, and looks like that as long as this level will hold, trend is down and is expected to break to lower prices after this completion of a triangle, which could be still in the cards. As you know, triangle is an ABCDE pattern, so maybe that was wave A, wave B, wave C. You have a wave D maybe now at the lower trend line support. So let's see if we can get some bounce towards the end of the week, and maybe early next week, and then even more weakness. So I'm expecting more dollar weakness, maybe straight from here, maybe after a pullback, but story remains the same. I think that this is consolidation on the way down. Also, a very quick look at the euro dollar. You can see here that market actually could be finishing this double zigzag correction. What is important is that we are at the upper trend line of resistance, so we either get a breakout now and then a pullback towards this trend line before uptrend resumes, or maybe you will get this pullback already now and then a breakout. Okay, but in either case, I think that this is also consolidation, because you cannot count 5 waves down. It's an overlapping structure, so typically this is corrective movement, just a pause on the way up. While impulses, as you know, have a totally different personality. This is an impulse, like here, very strong move in a very short period of time. So we definitely want to participate in the markets in this type of the moves. Okay, meaning that if we are correct, we are going to see something similar back to the upside here on the euro dollar to retest this 1.2 level. Okay, so let's see how this unfolds. I think that early next week could be very interesting if euro dollar could stay bullish here. I think that there could be very interesting setbacks coming for and maybe even for you to catch something on the long side. Traders, thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, support me by pressing a like, leave a comment, or share with your friends, and I will make sure to share more of those videos also in the future. Okay, traders, have a good day. Bye.